What's up, guys? This is Jet the Hawk 325, and I'm back with the assembled Hawkeye Avengers Hawkeye bow. All assembled. You have to weave everything in. Yep. This that thing could hold it. Same applying to the other one too. Yeah, it quite fires about. It's awesome. Speaking of which, how about this view? Awesome, isn't it? Let's see through here. I just want to aim at that little tactic right there. Didn't quite hit it, but it does okay. But anyway, about this big bad bow, it replicates the big bad bow that was from Nerf. I kind of like it. So people, whoever likes this, whoever likes Hawkeye, Jeremy Renner, like me, buy this. It won't hurt. Don't hesitate to buy it. Now, we're back to the. But this time now, it's a Beyblade unboxing. I haven't did a Beyblade unboxing for a while, so I got this. Spiral Capricorn 90 metal flat. Yep, this is the Beyblade I was dying to wanting. But I couldn't pick. There was about two of them last time they were there. Two of them. I would have used one for collectors and one for usable again. Very awesome. Now, I have a bunch of about in times it would just wheel it down. But secondly, it may have good opinion about it. What am I going to use a good opinion about it? Is I have one right here. I but screw Capricorn with horns on it, all stickered on its old door. Now, what the H? What was this? Well, it got broken off, but I had to use the almighty super glue. Now, I can't disassemble it whatsoever. I used it for a long time. It fulfilled me a great purpose. Thanks to you, buddy. I like Stone Capricorn. I like the Capricorn series a lot. So I had an opportunity of buying one. Right out of the Target store, I found it. I was selling about like double packs with like Galaxy Pegasus with Lacerda and all that stuff. If you want to see the box, here's the original. This is the Korean box, not the Takatomi. Takatomi made booster of this. In Korea, they make everything equal. Starters. So, Spiral Capricorn 90 MF. It's an attack type, obviously. Just because it's a maximum series. Just because of the design of this wheel. 90 and a metal flat introducing that piece. Good picture of Capricorn down there. Awesome. This screw wheel or spiral has 6 attack, which is awesome. Now the 90 track revealed its 2 attack, which Takara told me never have stats for the spin track. And metal flat, obviously. Same thing as the box, but the box for the Korean one cuts down the attack, cuts the attack off by 5, and the screw wheel and the stamina 1. But this one has a defense. Wait, it has a defense already, so the stamina was cut in half, but now it's full. Well, without further ado, Oh yeah, I forgot. The owner of this thing is Dr. Ziggurat. Oh, I need to bring him up. But I don't know, because he owns it. And it's never going to be used again, so I guess I like this one. So let's open this thing up. Gotta find the taping, gotta find the taping, gotta find the taping, gotta find the taping. Oh, it's way deep. It's gonna be deep. And, cutting things with a screwdriver. Because this Beyblade is what it is. Screw. Awesome. Sweetness. Okay. This is unusual. It didn't come with a yellow. Never came with a yellow. Okay. Color on. We didn't get. I was expecting a yellow one. But no. It's green. Lime green. Not yellow. That's kind of weird. Instructions. I don't care about it. I know how to put a Beyblade together. Stickers. And this deep dark blue cobaltish. So is this assembly tool, which is cool. Let's put this. Okay, it's done. So let's unbox the bay. Oh, this is gotta be clean. With the exception of that. Oh, come on. Oh, this thing too. So, the bay. Getting all the pieces, getting all the pieces, getting all the pieces. So, this is the spiral wheel or screw wheel. All shiny. 90 translucent purple misty type, and a new metal flat. Not super glued together. I like the face bolt, but I'm not gonna place it on. Okay, I'm gonna put the bay together and yeah. Oh yeah, this metal flat has more too. But I got Storm Capricorn. I'm seeing that the show did not make this thing animated. Wait, this is the wrong way. Let's go back a notch. Flip this side if you don't like it that way. And yeah. Does this now look accurate to you? I sure do. That's for the animated. They have a banner on this Capricorn. So, without further ado, thank you for tuning in for this unboxing. This is Jet the Hawk 325. See you later.